Hello everyone, this is Akhilesh Bhagwat. And before we start, do you know there are many top companies like Microsoft, IBM, AWS which provide free certifications and free courses? I guess you don't know because they don't advertise it. That's the reason many people don't know about it. So anyway, let's dig into the today's topic, which is database for developers foundations. So this is a free certification provided by Oracle, official Oracle, and it's an interactive course. I have completed this few months ago, and it's pretty exciting. Interactive course and amazing course. So we will get to know what this course is all about, why you should do this course, and how many hours this course is, what's the content of the course, and many more things. My experience as well. And at the end of the video, you will get to know if you should do this course or not. Let's begin. First, we will visit their official website. Yeah, so let's sign in. So you will need an Oracle account to sign in. I have signed in before, so it's not asking me, as you can see. Okay. So you will need an Oracle account which you can create if you have an Gmail account or any other mail account. Okay. So first we will look at what this course is all about. So database for developers foundations. So as you can see, the name suggests foundations, which means that it is for completely beginners. You don't need to have any knowledge about SQL before doing this course. Okay, and I don't believe you need technical knowledge as well. If you are from non-technical field, you can do this course as well. It's for completely beginners. And the course time, this is basically a boot camp by Oracle. So here they have written 12-part boot camp, which means it is a 12-week boot camp. I completed this course in about 2 weeks. If you have um, if you can complete in more shorter time, then that's in short time, then you can do it. Okay, so first we will look at the content of the course. The why is simple. It is provided by Oracle and it is for completely beginners, and you also receive official certification from Oracle. So let's first look at the main attraction of the course, or let's just look at content. The content of the course is simple. There are 12 modules, as you can see. Each module has a quiz question. Like for example, if I on a tables, so every module has live SQL tutorial. So after you do this course, you will need to you can say apply the knowledge which you have learned, and after you apply that knowledge, you will need to pass a quiz questions. So I have passed one, two, three, four quiz questions. Like passing grade is about 50%. Okay, so I have passed 4 out of 3. That's why I have got into next module. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You don't need to just watch the course. It's a practical course and interactive as well. So the main great thing about this course is the way the educator explains, because many there are many complex concepts in SQL, and he has explained those in you can say simpler way. So let's look at one. Like for example, here is tables. So here he has explained the types of tables. There are different types of tables in SQL. So as you can see, he has explained them with the help of images and real life example. Like for example, there are tables in SQL. So we have explained it with the original or real life tables that we know. For example, okay, heap tables. So what are heap tables? So he has explained them that all the elements, different types of elements, there are no categories, and each element are stored in at one table, inside one table. So index organized table. He has explained that there are different types of now that you can say categories are divided, categories are defined, and there are many elements are arranged according to their particular category. Like for red side, yellow for yellow. So he has explained that, and he is explaining that in code as well. That's pretty good, pretty neat. Actioner tables, you can say similarly like this. He has explained everything in a simpler manner, or the concepts are explained in a simple manner. So I believe you should do this course for sure. If you don't know about anything about SQL, then this course is for you. Okay. So thank you for watching our video, and you can find many courses on SQL at our website allinone.com as well, from IBM. Two are from IBM and one from Oracle. There are also some more courses, cloud computing, data science. You can find some more. So everything is free here. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. I believe you got to know something new today, and you got to know if you should do this course or not. Okay, if you know the basics about Oracle certifications or basics about SQL, then you don't need to do this course. Okay, or if you are a beginner, then this course is for you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. We will be giving more reviews on courses, apps, and platforms. Thank you.